Pretty scene.
Good afternoon, guys. My voice is tingly because I went to a birthday party in a club yesterday and I was screaming on top of my voice. So I literally lost my voice yesterday. I cannot even say, it's Christmas! Can you see that? Yeah. We are in the month of December. It's December 2nd, Monday, 12. And I just want to start this vlog for you guys to know that we are about to start a vlogmas. We are not coming to do every day, but we are certain of doing 4 videos this month, so you guys just stick and stay. Let's quickly just go through my Christmas plans. I wrote them in my notes. We're going to be baking. We're going to be I have a Christmas photo shoot with my best friends. I want to do more like a steak wine night with me and my friends. This is going to be my first Christmas vlog because I have not really had a proper Christmas time at home, because every Christmas I was working as a waiter, so every Christmas I have to be at work. So this time I'm home and I'm about to spend Christmas. We have to go for Christmas shopping, Christmas decor shopping. I have to decorate my tree. Now, I don't have money for a ginormous Christmas tree, so I'm going to be using this one right here. Yeah. It's a freaking tree, all right? So I'm going to be using it. I just need some little decor pieces for it and then we are done. So we have to go Christmas shopping. I have to go grocery shopping for Christmas because Christmas is going to be very difficult to get to town and things are going to be pricey. So I think I should start the shopping this time. So I have to do a home maintenance. I actually don't know what to do to my hair. That is why my hair is still in this state. I have to do my hair and then get my nails also done. Something very cutesy, nothing serious, yeah. And yeah, games night with my friends. I'm going to invite them over. This is the first time I'm hosting my friends on Christmas Day. So you see me talking a lot in this vlog. I'll just be doing the work, and yeah. So this is going to be this is an intro for everything that is going to happen. Yeah, and I'll be baking as well. I'll be baking cookies and cakes because it's Christmas. I want to like put my fantasy into reality, even though my means does not meet it, but I want to try my best to pull something off. So that is what we are doing. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's just go shopping. guys, it's currently it's 4:30 and I just got out of the shower. So if you're seeing water dripping my neck, meaning I just got out of the shower. And today we are about to decorate the house. We want to put the house into a Christmas, mood. So I want to just go through the few things we got for the house at China Mall for you guys to see before we start decorating the house. My lips looks dry. I need to put on my gloss. All right, good. I got this from Girl Boss and I really love this lip peptide oil. It's really good and it keeps my lips moisturized. I think I've overlined my lip. The fact that it's minty is what I really love about this particular gloss. So yeah, we got a lot of things. Not a lot, but something few. So in this bag, we got this for the door, the front door. This for the trees, my olive tree. Got this for the trees, yeah, and these balls too for the trees as well. Oh my god, my hair has a lot of water. See, and I don't know what we got this for, but I think it's for the tree too. And these are lights for the trees. These are lights for the trees, and this one too. And we got this snowy tree for the table console. Yeah, it's really cute. Another ball. I think it's for the tree as well. Basically, these are all the tree stuff. Yeah, for the tree. And in this bag, we got some throw pillows for the couch. These were literally the last one on the shelf, so yeah. I hope they're cute and they look Christmassy and actually soft. Yeah. So that's all we got for the decorations. We are going to start decorating because time is fast spent. And then I will show you the results when we are done. But let's just go and do the after so you guys can see what we have now and then what we are going to have after the decorations. Yeah. So this is what the entire space look like without the Christmas stuff. Yeah. And that's me.
bestie. Yes.
I just need some water. What have you seen? I always love that about Christmas. When you open up the box and unwrap the intermediary. Your parents used to always let me put Jesus in the crib.
First of all, it was Christmas.
Incredible job. Which is a little confusing because I'm not like that. As the music swelled, he took her in his arms and made it into words. I wanted to be that girl. With dance in the arms of someone like that. Prince on that stainless steel. And that's why she's ready. I will always cherish her Oh, this is so lovely. I'm so excited for doing this.
My pleasure.
You know what?
It's my last book people left me.
Right, let's eat sure.
When do we start?
Oh, it's nice.
Excellent. Okay.
Agreed. I think we're in really good shape.
Me too.
So we start early tomorrow morning. We finish up the end section. Now you two go out, enjoy yourselves.
Thank you. If you want, we can forget this ever happened.
I'll do best.
Oh, Stacey.
Keep it sexy.
The one you control wheel. You know, unfortunately, I don't have your aptitude for turning my units on and off like a light switch. Don't worry about it.
We had one more flight.
wants you to put something in your mouth. You can't.
It's time for a toast.
the sun.